class. So last time no na discuss ato ning work breakdown structure. So man na loading man. Man next. Matawa nag-loading jud siya. So work breakdown structure, I will give you the activity later on siguro as an essay tapos you will write it in a paper tapos i-send lang gihapon ninyo sa ako ah. Okay, so the next topic, wait lang. So the next topic is the project scheduling technique. So from the word itself, no, you are going to schedule the ways, no, unsa ang mga ways, techniques, method to schedule a project. So if gamay lang ang project class, if it is in a short period of time, dali lang no ang pag-create o schedule. However, if your project is big and complex, sometimes no ang simple scheduling or pag work breakdown structure is not enough, no, so we need to schedule, no, and use the following techniques because it will ensure that all activities are planned for. So that means plastada tanan no, their order of performance is accounted for. So that means na kay step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay, wala kay makaligtaan. The activity time estimates are recorded. So in project scheduling class, we also have to put no kung unsa siya ang time duration. 1 hour, 2 weeks, 2 days, 5 weeks, ana. So we have to include the time estimate on when will be the project end, no? And then overall project time. So the purpose of project scheduling is to show the relationship of each activity. No, so interconnected man gud na siya because we work no hinay-hinay each activity to create the final na project. Identifies the precedence. So when we say precedence, pagkasunod-sunod, no, ang relationship among activities. Encourages the setting of realistic time and cost estimates of each activity. We need to know mga good class, no, if ang time ba no to of completion and then include cost estimate. So when we say cost estimate kanang ato ang bana-bana no on how much ang resource no or expense nga atong ma-incur sa kanang activity. Okay? So, and then help makes better use of people, money, and material resources by identifying critical bottlenecks in the project. When we say bottleneck, kita mo ng butilya, di ba, naga-wine, ano man mo, sana ka nang mag-toss o ka ng bottle wine, di ba na-handle, ay ka ng top niya sa bottle, di ba, long man na siya, sa, ha?
Cork sa wine.
Oo, yes. I mean the katong bottle jud sa wine tapos yes. 'Di ba sa top niya ginatakloban siya og cork. So ang bottlenecks katong neck sa bottle tapos iyang body. So ang sa project management ang ginatukoy anang bottleneck class is katong mga parts sa activity that is critical. That means pag musulod mo ka sa bottleneck is gamay ang agianan, di ba? So that means it is difficult to finish that activity. It is critical, no? Tapos 'di ba pag sa bottleneck tapos dako na dayon ang ano sa battle, 'di ba? Part sa battle. Murag yun ana ba? So that is the concept behind bottleneck. So we have to determine no katong mga bottlenecks in every projects. So what are those project management techniques? So naatay tulo. We have Gantt chart, critical path method, and PERT or program evaluation and review technique. So isa-isa ho na to nag-discuss. This is an example of a simple Gantt chart. So sa time, for example, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Pero diri class magdepende ni pwede 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 day, 2 weeks, depende. Okay? Diri sa kilid class, this is the activities. So mag-design siya, magbuhat siya prototype, mag-test siya, mag-revise and production. So, makita na to that ang duration sa designing is from January to unsa man January to
June.
June. Yes. So designing is from January to June. Ang prototype is from March to
April.
Okay, so very good. So in ana lang na siya no. This is a simple Gantt chart. And then revise and production. So ang ubang Gantt chart class kani siya is napagyud na siya sumpay sa ilalom nga kani siya is target tapos sa baba actual. So makita nimo linyahan nimo kung asa na ka sa actual ibutang ba nimo January to March na imong actual o ana. So there will be kanang sani pag ano nimo ba tawag ni matan-aw nimo siya ba no maan nimo ang ma-monitor rather ang ano sa project. So that is an example. So we have here a service for a Delta jet. So when we say Delta jet, airplane man ni siya. Okay? Jet gani no. Noun sa ba. So if you are ano daw this is the time or minutes man niya siya no in service of a Delta jet. For example, when the passenger came, so mo ni ang murag ang time duration no nga pagbaba sa passenger, pagkuha nila, pag-claim nila everything, and then pag loading and boarding again sa isa ka airplane. So dapat ingon ani lang jud daw siya. So that means ang pag-transfer sa passenger must be 40 minutes lang ang maximum. Okay, so for example, ang ilang Gantt chart, passenger planning. So, baba sila, no? So, buta na to, 5 minutes to uh, uh, 12 minutes. So, dapat 5 to 12 minutes, sila tala nakababa na. Okay? Baggage claim, butang na to 8 to 14 minutes. So, dapat within that time duration, naka-claim na silang baggage. So, for example, loading of baggage. So, loading of baggage, that means pag ano no, pag katong mga musakay sa kana nga plane, ang ilahang mga dala masulod na dito no. So that means mag-start siya from 25 to 35 minutes. Okay, and then passengers boarding from 30 to buta na to 38 minutes. Okay, so dapat kato nga mga duration kanatanan will happen no para makalupad si Delta Jet. Okay, nasabtan ba? Thumbs up if nasabtan. Emoticons, thumbs up. Thumbs up, everybody. Okay, so nasabtan. So, sige, next. Kaling, let's try this. Dili na kain ako i-ano. Daw, i-try doon ako diribe. Antonate. Maka-draw ako. For example, ay, lisod man, oy. Sige lang. So, example lang, activities niya kanino, hiring of project staff on orientation training, baseline study and needs assessment. So, ibutan nimo first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, third to fourth quarter. So, example lang na siya. And then, week 1 to 4, 4 to 6. Na. So, that is Gantt chart. So, next is project controlling. So, we need to monitor class, dili lang ang time, but it includes resources, costs, quality, and budgets of a project. No, feedback enables revising the project plan and shift resources and computerized tools produce extensive reports. Example of project management software includes kani mga example ni class Fast Track, MindView, HP Project, Microsoft Project. So na sila yung mga project management software. So PERT and CPM. PERT and CPM are network techniques that is developed year 1950. So CPM by DuPont for chemical plants in 1957. So dito nila to na establish no ang kanina technique. So an PERT by Booz Allen H and Hamilton no with the US Navy for Polaris missile 1958. Oh, gabi no. 1958 pa ni siya 1957. And since then PERT and CPM is used not in project management or strategic management only but including military and engineering. Okay? So gina-consider sa PERT CPM class ang precedence relationship and interdependencies. Okay? And use different estimates of activity time. Sige lang, mas masabtan ninyo ni later on pag mahatag ko og example. So, what are the steps of PERT and CPM? Can you please read to your number 1 to 3?
Define, manage, and prepare the work breakdown structure.
Okay.
Develop relationship among the activities. Decide which activities must proceed and which must follow others.
Mm-mm.
Draw the network connecting of all the activities.
Okay, sige. So first, we define the project and prepare work breakdown structure. So you know what is breakdown structure already. Develop relationship, no, and decide which must precedes the other and must follow. So that means unsa nga activity ang una, unsa ang sunod. So that is precedence, no? And draw the network connecting all the activities. So makita na to how do we connect all those networks later on. Sige, magatagog later. So 4 to 6. Can you please read? Basilisco. Basilisco, can you please read? 4 to 6.
Wait lang, ma'am.
Sige.
Hindi pa na ako makita, ma'am. Wait lang, ma'am.
Ay, saan naman na?
For the 6, ma'am, no?
4 to 6.
Assign time and or cost estimate. Compute the longest time path work. This is called the critical path. Use the network to help plan, schedule, monitor, and control the project.
Okay, so step 4, you assign time. So for example, katong sa Delta Jet, for example, deplaning or claiming baggage, pila ka time, no, or how much ang cost for that activity. Compute the longest path, so or critical path. So later on, hatagan ta mo example, and use the network to plan, schedule, monitor, and control the project. So those are the steps of PERT and CPM. So So, di ba na-mention sa step that we have to create and connect the activity. So, mo na siya ginatawag na networks. Okay, so mo to siya ginatawag nga network. So, natay duha ka network. Activity on nodes and activity on arrow. So, this is an example of activity on nodes. For example, you label the activities as A, B, C. Okay, so for example, si activity A, activity B, o si activity C. So, ang precedence, A comes before B. So, si A daw nauna kay B, which comes before C. Nga si B daw, musunod kay C. Nasabta na to, A comes before B, which comes before C. So, nagsunod A, B, C. Okay? So, ang activity on nodes, we have a circle. This is what we call nodes. And then, i-connect na to siya, precedence, kaning arrow. That means, mo na siya sunod. Okay? So, ansa ni? Arrow, and then connect siya sa B, and then connect siya sa C. Ang activity on arrow, class, please listen carefully, no, because this is very critical, no, kay if you don't know how to the networks, dili ta makakompute for PERT and CPM. Okay, so this is nodes. Again, this is nodes. Ang activity daw is A comes before B, which comes before C. So that means A, B, C. Si A, sumpay kay B, sumpay kay C. So, ang activity on nodes is naa siya sa circle, ang letter, ang activity, because nodes man siya. On the other hand, activity on arrow, ang activity is written on the arrow. So, activity gyapon is A, B, and C ang precedence. That means pasunod. Pero instead of putting it in the nodes, sa arrow siya ibutang. So, A, B, and C. Okay, nasabtan ba? Thumbs up, everybody. Thumbs up. Okay, so thumbs up. Okay, very good. So, for example, A and B must both be completed before C can start. Oh, so A and B must both be completed before C can start. So sa nodes, we write A and B before C can start. Pwede na siya class ha? In activities no sa ato ang network, pwede na 2 or 3 no activities must be done simultaneously before mo proceed to the other. Okay, so this is an example sa nodes. Gisulat na to siya sa node. An activity on arrow, we have A, B, and C. Tapos gibutang na to siya sa arrow. So that is the comparison between the two. So next activity, B and C cannot begin until A is completed. Oh, so A must be completed first. Tapos mo proceed siya kay B and C. Okay? And then, naa siya sa sulod sa node. Ang network, ay ang arrow, activity on arrow, pwede mo kung siguro draw. So, activity on arrow, no, A, so, A, B, and we have that C. Okay? So, we also have these other activities, no? C and D cannot begin until both A and B are completed. So, that means A and B, dili sila si C and D, dili ka proceed if A and B is not completed. So, B is connected to C and A is connected to C. A is connected to D, B is also connected to D. Okay? Kay dili man daw sila ka-proceed ang C and D kung wala ang A and B. So, sa arrow, we write A and B, C and D. So, kani siya class, no? Ang gwapong manggod sa arrow is you can create another node para ma-connect sila. No? So, this is, in ani siya pagsulat ha, pag naingon ani nga scenario. We also have A, C cannot begin until both A and B are completed, and D cannot begin until B is completed. So, A and B cannot begin until C cannot begin until A and B are completed, and B cannot begin and D cannot begin until B is completed. Ana. So, again, A and B, no, para mo proceed sa C, and then B must be completed before mo proceed kay D. So, kanis, activity on arrow, they created a dummy account. Kay connected man si B kay C and D. Okay. So, introduce lang na ako na sa inyo ha, class. No, ang example, daga na example. Sa AON and AOA. But ang ato ang gamiton gyud class, no, for the purpose of discussion is activity on nodes, no. AON na nga to ang gamiton. So, gi-introduce lang sa inyo ha ang example of a comparison between AOA and AON, but we will use activity on nodes. So, for example, this is an example of Milwaukee Paper manufacturing activities and predecessor. Can you please screenshot this one or picture this one? Kay mag-activity ta para maka-answer mo. Okay na? Screenshot in your class or picturean para makasunod mo sa discussion. Okay. Okay na? So, for example, Okay, so activity, description, build internal components, wala siya immediate predecessor. That means walay nag-una sa ilaha. So that means sila nasa pinakaunhan, no? So we have how to write. Kato atong basis ha, kato na sa PICAS. So use create a node, tapos butyan og start. Tapos, di ba nakabutang sa description, walay predecessor si A and B. Di ba dash lang, that means sila ang kinaunhan. Activity A and B. So si A, based sa description is to build internal components. Tama ba ko, class? And then si B, activity is to modify roof and floor. Listen carefully ha. And then, unsay nakabutang? Si C, construction collection, kinsa iyang immediate predecessor? Si C.
A, ma'am, A.
So, ang iyang immediate predecessor is si A. So, we create a line to connect C. And then, patay. And then, si D, kinsa iyang immediate predecessor?
A, dya po, ma'am.
A and B. So, duha.
B.
So, we connect A and B.
B.
Para si D ang iyang immediate predecessor. And then next si E, kinsa iyang immediate predecessor?
D.
No. C.
C.
Taawa sa katong C. So that means isumpay nato si E kay C. Naman tanan ay. Tapos next, kinsa immediate predecessor ni F?
C.
C. So
C.
we write
ma'am.
F. Kinsa predecessor ni F?
Letter C, ma'am.
Oh, yes, C. So, C connect kay F. And then, si G. Kinsa immediate predecessor ni G?
The D and E.
Yes, so D and E. Connect na to. And then, H. Kinsa immediate predecessor ni H?
Si F and G,
F and G.
Okay, F and G. So, that is yes, activity on network by Milwaukee Paper. So kaning A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H nga to ang ginaingon na ana siya corresponding description or activity. No, so that means build internal components, modify roof and floor, ana. So activity na siya klasa, pero ginasulat lang nato siya as letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H to simplify no the nodes. So I will give you an assignment kani AON. So duha na no, work breakdown structure, Gantt chart, napoy Gantt chart an AON. Ako ang isend later on para ma-practice mo. Para inyo haning review sa exam. Okay. So after determining the AON, anuhan ta mo on what is the activity format, what is inside those letters, no? So we have this activity format. So for example si A, this is the activity symbol, di ba? Ano man to siya kanang circle? Divide nato na siya into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. So diri na is the activity symbol. I guess you know that already. Ang number 2 is the activity duration. That means, yes, for example, katong A is build internal components. So it would take 2 2 hours, 2 weeks, 2 days to complete that activity. Okay? And then diri nga part sa left side, this is what we call earliest start. So when we say earliest start, mo na siya pinaka early no nga masugod ang activity. And sa right side, upper right side, ang ginatawag nga earliest finish. Kung unsa ang pinakasayo nga mahuman ang activity. Okay, so i-determine nato na siya class when you are scheduling a project. Okay? And then sa baba, lower left side, latest start, pinakadugay nga mag-start ang activity, ang latest finish, pinakadugay mahuman ang activity. Okay? We could use this class because sometimes estimates manggod ni siya class. Walay plano that is or a schedule that is always on time. No, at least we know unsa pinakasayo masugod, unsa pinakasayo mahuman, unsa pinakadugay mag-start, unsa pinakadugay mahuman, no? So that we can adjust, no, and create an estimate sa ato ang activity. Okay, so that is an inside of a node, no? Activity format. So we have here determining the schedule project of estimate of Milwaukee Paper Manufacturing. Mag-out lang sa siguro ta class. I will send you another link sa sa GC. Okay?